Hello friends, welcome back to Multi Question World. Today we are going to discuss previous question paper of LD Technician exam, and LD Technician exam is conducted on 25th of this month. So this video will be helpful for you. So let us start. Question number 21. Other 20 questions were from general topic, so that we are not going to discuss those questions. So from 21, resolution of an electron microscope is expressed in option A millimeters, option B micrometers, option C nanometers, option D centimeters. The resolution of an electron microscope is expressed in. What is the right answer? Right answer is option C, nanometers. Okay. The resolution of an electron microscope is expressed in nanometers. Next one. Which of the following is not a flammable chemical? Ether, xylol, alcohol, H2O2. That is hydrogen peroxide. This type of question is asked in the recent DME examination. So, the question is not an inflammable chemical. Okay. The right answer, hydrogen peroxide. Okay. Then, which of the following is not a carcinogen? This is also the same type question. Orthotoluene, picric acid, selenite, beta-naphthylamine. We know that orthotoluene, selenite and beta-naphthylamine is carcinogenic. So, the right answer is option B, picric acid. Next question. Question number 24. The temperature required for many of the clinical investigations to be done in an incubator in degree Celsius is. Temperature of incubator in degree Celsius 22, 42, 56, 37. The right answer is 37. Many of the pathogens are grow in our body temperature, that is 37. So, temperature of incubator is always 37 degrees Celsius in majority cases. Next, 25th question. Which of the following is not comes under moist heat sterilization? Which of the following is not comes under, okay? Moist heat sterilization. Hot air oven, autoclave, pasteurization, tyndallization. The right answer is hot air oven. Hot air oven is based on dry heat, okay? Next, disposable plastics are sterilized by alcohol, ethylene oxide, glutaraldehyde, chlorine. And this question is also similar to the question what is asked in the previous DME examination. It is recently held in last month. Okay. Disposable plastics are sterilized by which of the following chemical? The right answer is option. Question number 26. Disposable plastics are sterilized by alcohol, ethylene oxide, glutaraldehyde, chlorine. This question is also there in DME lab technician examination, and the right answer is option B, ethylene oxide. Next one. A normal solution contains gram equivalent weight per liter, molecular weight of solute in grams per liter, weight per unit volume, none of the above. The right answer is gram equivalent weight per liter. So, before going to examination, you have to study well about normal, molar and molal solutions. Then question number 28. Average urine output of an adult per day: 30 to 60 ml, 500 to 600 ml, 800 to 1400 ml, 1000 to 2000 ml. The right answer is option D, 1000 to 2000 ml. Next one, which of the following is not found in normal urine? Creatinine, uric acid, RBC, glucose. In this question, we have two options. RBC and glucose, both are abnormal. But in PSC answer key, the right answer is RBC. Okay. Then, which one of the following is used to test ketone bodies? Rothera's test, Diazo test, Benzidine test, Ehrlich test. The right answer is Rothera's test. Then, normal VMA level up to 9 mg per 24 hour, 8 to 18 mg per 24 hour, 0.2 to 0.5 gram per 24 hour urine, 100 to 250 mg per 24 hour urine. The right answer is option A. Normal VMA level 9 mg per 24 hour. Okay. Next one. Question number 32. Normal GFR rate is 500 to 800 ml per unit, 1000 to 1500 ml per unit, 100 to 130 ml per unit, none of the above. The right answer is option C, 100 to 130 ml per unit. ml per unit. Okay. Then, next one. Bloody stool with pus and mucus is seen in the following conditions except ulcerative colitis, mucus colitis, bacillary dysentery, carcinoma of colon. The right answer is mucus colitis. Bloody stool with pus and mucus cannot be seen in mucus colitis. Next one. In amoebiasis, the cyst of Entamoeba histolytica can be identified from liver abscess, stool, lung abscess, all the above. Cyst of Entamoeba histolytica. It can be identified from stool specimen. So, the right answer is option B, stool. Next question. Which of the following parasite has no cystic stage? It's another important question repeatedly asked by PSC. Option A, Giardia lamblia. Option B, Balantidium coli. Option C, Trichomonas vaginalis. Option D, Entamoeba histolytica. The right answer is option C, Trichomonas vaginalis. Next one. Multiple ring forms are seen in which type of malaria? Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale. The right answer is Plasmodium falciparum. Multiple ring forms are seen in Plasmodium falciparum. Next question. LT bodies are seen in the reticuloendothelial system of human, redweed bug, CC fly, sandfly. The right answer is LD bodies can be seen in reticuloendothelial system of human. The right answer is option A, human. Next question. Which of the following parasitic ova is not bile stained? Ascaris lumbricoides, Ancylostoma duodenale, Trichuris trichura, Tinea saginata. The right answer is option B, Ancylostoma duodenale or hookworm. Next one. The causative agent of Next one, the causative agent of collar swelling. Wuchereria bancrofti, Brugia malai, Lova lova, Onchocercus volvulus. The right answer is option C, Lova lova. Night blood sample is collected for the diagnosis of malaria, filaria, trypanosoma, leishmania. The right answer is option B, filaria. Next one, Cassoni's test is used for the diagnosis of hydatid disease, leishmaniasis, malaria, filaria. The right answer is Cassoni's test is used for the diagnosis of hydatid disease caused by Echinococcus granulosus. Next one, which of the parasitic ova is seen in urine? Schistosoma hematobium, Fasciola hepatica, Paragonimus westermani, Clonorchis sinensis. The right answer is option A, Schistosoma hematobium. Next question. The ratio of anticoagulant and blood used for ESR test is 1:2, 1:4, 1:8, 1:60. Anticoagulant to blood ratio. Okay. The right answer is option B, 1:4. Next one. If it is blood to anticoagulant ratio is 4:1. Here anticoagulant to blood ratio, that is 1:4. Next one. Normal value of hemoglobin for an adult: 4 to 6 gram percentage, 6 to 8 gram percentage, 8 to 10 gram percentage, 12 to 15 gram percentage. Normal HB of an adult. The right answer is option D, 12 to 15 gram percentage.